DPF emulator installation in Volvo ECR88D Pro compact excavator. Hi guys, today we are going to install a DPF emulator in a Volvo ECR88D Pro compact excavator equipped with a D2.6 engine, which is actually a Kubota V2607 engine. You might have seen this engine before in a Hangcha forklift, where we deleted the emissions a couple of weeks ago. First, we need to lift the engine cover, located at the rear of the operator's cab, to access the plugs we need to replace. Here are the 3 temperature sensors. We will unplug all 3 sensors and replace them with the emulator's wiring harness plugs. Once the temperature sensors are connected, we move on to the differential pressure sensor. This sensor measures the pressure difference between the inlet and outlet of the DPF filter, indicating the level of soot and particulate buildup inside the filter. The last step is installing the adapter plug in place of the common rail fuel pressure sensor. This sensor will not be physically removed, but the emulator will take its readings to adjust signal parameters for all other emulated components of the emission system. Once all necessary plugs are replaced, we can connect the DPF emulator to the wiring harness.